Today we are going to do acid and base by indicator. How to identify acid and base by the indicators. Already we have two indicators. So one is methyl arrange indicator and phenol indicator. And we required acid substance and base substance, no? And we prepared acid base solution now first. So this is potassium hydroxide. So what is the nature of potassium hydroxide? Base. So what you want to do is open the cap of this bottle and with help of spatula. This is a spatula. So directly don't touch the chemical. If you touch the chemical, it is harmful. So what you want to do is while transferring chemical from bottle to beaker, so use the spatula. So now this potassium hydroxide in the form of liquid. Actually the potassium hydroxide is in the form of solid. It is solid form lo untundi, but it is melt. So take potassium hydroxide. So one or two spatula. So potassium hydroxide. So one beaker. So another beaker also contain base solution. Base potassium hydroxide. Okay. So after that, so what you want to do is add water. So add water or transfer water to the beaker up to 50 ml. So here measuring is there, no, 50 ml. So take 50 ml and next transfer the water into the beaker up to 50 ml. Now solution is prepared. So base solution is prepared. So base solution, how do you prepare? So we are transferring potassium hydroxide or base solution into the beaker. After that we added water. So now we prepared base solution. The beaker, two beaker is contained base solution. Okay. So keep the beaker on the bench. After that we have concentrated acid. So the name of this acid is nitric acid. So highly concentrated. So if you fall one drop of nitric acid on the skin, it is corrosionous. So chala danger ga avutundi. Ikkada bone kuda damage ayipotundi, skin kuda chala damage ayipotundi. Kabatti we can handle very carefully. The storage of acid, concentrated acid, store in this amber color bottle. So the color of this bottle is amber color. Okay. You don't touch the acid directly. If you touch, it is harmful. What you want to do is with help of pipette. So this is a pipette and pipette bulb. With help of pipette and pipette out the acid and transfer into the respective conical flask. So carefully look at here. So while transferring this acid, first press the bulb. This is a pipette bulb, and press it and keep inside the bottle. After keeping this pipette and leave it, acid coming the pipette. So now, so what you want to do is, so transfer. So before this transferring acid, what you want to do is, so fill the transfer the water into the conical flask. So how much water? 10 ml or 20 ml. So little bit. So little bit of amount of water is transferred into the conical flask. So after transferring of conical, after that pipette out. So pipette out the acid and transfer the acid to the conical flask by drop. See, one drop, two drop. So at a time, if you pour acid into the water, it is explosive. కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి, డ్రాప్ ఇలా యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో దెన్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్, డైల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ విల్ టేక్ ప్లేస్. సో యాసిడ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ అనేది తగ్గిపోతుంది. చూడండి, చాలా కేర్ఫుల్గా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ దిట్ యాసిడ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఇన్ టు ద అనదర్ conical flask. Okay. So remaining amount of the acid again is transferred to the this bottle. Okay. So like this, carefully we have to handle the acid. Okay. After that, so close the bottle. So close it and transfer the bottle and keep the bottle safe side. Okay. Now solution is prepared. Acid solution. Acid solution. Okay. For preparation of acid solution, we added a water, then acid. So after while adding the water, ఎప్పుడైతే యాసిడ్ కి వాటర్ యాడ్ చేసామో సో దీని యొక్క కాన్సంట్రేషన్ అనేది తగ్గిపోతుంది. సో కాన్సంట్రేషన్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోటాన్ ఇస్ డిక్రీజ్ సో ఇన్ ద వాటర్. ఓకే. సో ఇది నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ ద అన్నోన్ సొల్యూషన్ నౌ. సో కలర్లెస్ సొల్యూషన్. So conical flask contain the acid and beaker contain base. So what you want to do is, so take the first methyl arrange indicator. So add the methyl arrange indicator in the beaker. First beaker. See, 1 or 2 drops of the methyl arrange indicator. Add. So color change no? Yes, sir. Yellow color changed. Yes, sir. See, methyl orange indicator in the presence of the base is gives yellow color. It gives a yellow color. So then you confirm that the beaker contains solution is base. Okay. Next, take the conical flask. The conical flask contains solution. So add the methyl orange indicator to the conical flask. So 1 or 2 drop. So color change no? Yes, sir. So observe change under the beaker kilchuvandi. Yes, actually not this pink color, red color. Red color. So concentration depend on concentration, depend on the methyl orange indicator kuda color anedi alaga vastundi. Actually red color. Okay, na color change or not? Yes, sir. So then by adding indicator you can confirm that. So the conical flask contain acid. Okay. Next, sir, another indicator. What is another indicator? Phenol indicator. So take the phenol indicator. Add this phenol 1 or 2 drop of phenol indicator to the beaker. See, 1 or 2 drop. So color change no? Yes, sir. Which color? Pink. Different is there no? Yes, sir. దీనికి different ఉంది కాబట్టి pink, red. So phenolphthalein indicator in the presence of the base, which color will give? Pink. Okay. Next, conical flask contain acid. So add 1 or 2 drop of phenol indicator to the say yes or no? Yes, so we observed here 4 colors. We observed that 4 colors. So yellow, red, pink, colorless. So like this we can identify unknown solution. Any given unknown solution or the acid or base or neutral substance, any solution you can identify like this by adding the indicator, methyl orange indicator as well as phenolphthalein indicator. I am repeating, phenolphthalein indicator in the presence of base gives yellow. Methyl orange indicator in the presence of yellow. Base. Methyl orange indicator. Same methyl orange indicator in the presence of acidic. Phenolphthalein indicator in the presence of base solution no? Yes, pink color. So phenolphthalein indicator in the presence of acidic colorless. Okay, like this we want to identify. Okay na?